Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jay Makori, and today I'm going to talk about a detailed eyebrow tutorial for oily skin people. Whereby some people you're just oily, you've done your eyebrows, and during the day you find you're really sweating on your eyebrows. So let me show you how to avoid that and how to make your eyebrow just to remain at peace. And before we go into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, turn notifications on, and always comment. Okay, let's do it. So we start by combing your brows. I'm using a spoolie. And when you're combing your brows, just follow the shape of your brows. Don't go like that, Just follow the shape, like how they've grown. Sometimes I feel like, in my brows, there's always that one perfect one. I don't know if it's just me or everyone. So after combing, use your eyebrow gel. And if you don't have an eyebrow gel, don't worry. Use your Eco Styler gel. So for my case, I'm using an Eco Styler gel. The good thing with beauty is you always find alternative. There is always that home remedy, So comb your brows using the gel. And remember, when you're doing your brows, don't raise them, because when you raise them you'll get a very different shape. So at any given time you are just doing anything on your brows, remain calm. So don't raise them, just let them be at peace. So I'm just combing using my brow gel. This one used to be my mascara tip. So just cleaned it, and its purpose is this. You see, when you're combing, it just gives it makes your brows to have that natural shape. Just removing the excess gel that is on my skin, because I want it to dry and settle on the brow. You see, when brow just looked natural. I do the same to the other side. And remember, when you're doing your brows, you see the brow hair from here and here, never brush it just like that. Usually brush it going up. And then from here, so you can just follow the shape. I'll just remove using my finger the excess one on my skin. I'm done with gelling my eyebrows. Next we're going to line your eyebrows. Remember, this one is so important, so that you don't mess your brows. So I'm using a Davis number 3 eye pencil. Make sure your pencil is sharp. Yeah, you can use a brow gel, but I'm using an eyebrow pencil number 3. Make sure it is sharp. So when it comes to this, start where the hair starts from. Don't just draw that straight line. Again, just following the shape of your brows. So when it comes to this upside of my brows, I don't like starting from here. I like starting it from here, during the line. I feel like I didn't give my brow gel enough time to dry. Like, usually this that bro that respects and obeys everything you're doing. So next, I'm going to fill in my brow. I don't like, just filling in all over. I fill where there is no hair. Like, I try just to fill where there is a thin light. I feel like there is space. I just fill in because I want them to pop out as natural. So let's fill in. I'm still using the Davis number 3 eye pencil to fill in. And again, when you're filling it, just follow like how the hair has grown. Follow exactly that direction. As you can see, I'm filling in not exactly from the beginning of my brow. I'm filling it from here. So we're done with filling in. Let me clean them using a concealer so that they pop out, So I'm cleaning my brows using an LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. The purpose of using a concealer is to help your brows pop out, You shouldn't have those, you see those sharp lines? They shouldn't appear in your brows. Who wants to see some, drawn eyebrows? You want to see some natural looking brows, right? So we are cleaning, or rather concealing. I'm using, it's not a fluffy brush, it's angled. You see the way it's shaped? And for this, you just put it on your palm so that it'd be easy for you to, apply. And when you're cleaning, you just go underneath that line you've drawn. Don't go above it. So that line is just to guide you. And usually when you are concealing your brow, don't use a shade lighter than your skin tone because it will be so hectic for you to clean it. At least use a shade almost close to, I'll say, your cousin to your skin tone. I bring it down, the concealer down to my eyelids. Like you bring the excess onto the eyelids. Again, I'll use the spoolie I used for my brow gel. I want to remove that harsh line on this side of my brow, and again comb the hair back. So I want to clean the up part of my brows, and when doing this, don't use the exact concealer you've used doing the like I'll say the under brows part. Use the exact foundation you're using for your skin, for your face. Use it to clean, you know, the up side. So for the scales, I'm using my Black Opal Even True in the shade Truly Topaz. And again, you just put a little product on your palm. Again, when I'm doing this, I'm not starting just from here. I'm just starting where I started drawing the line. This one is so easy, so that when you know blend it in, it's so easy to match it with your skin tone. Next, I'm just taking my spoolie to make sure everything is well there. There we are. Let me just try to, you know, set it in the concealer. I don't want it to be smudgy and all that. So I just try to set it in with my powder, that is the face powder. So once you're done with your brows, remember this was a tutorial on how to do your oily brows, you know. So once you're done with it, you take your loose powder to set your brows. Like literally it's like baking your brows. I'm using my beauty blender to take the loose powder. So just press in. Like don't rub, press it in. Don't worry, because you just clean everything later. So just press it in. It will not mess your brows. Like your brows will just be still intact. Press it in. You can do it in your under eye, just to take in all the products. So after that, give it some time, let it dry, like let it bake a little. Usually when I'm doing this, like I do my lashes, I do my brows, and then I'll finish with it later. But for the purpose of this video, let's wait, see. And again, always don't worry with your brows. They're not a must to look like twin sieves, you know. Let them look like uncle ants. They're your brows. Do you? Okay, as we wait for them to bake, you know, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me the support, you know, but just by you subscribing, commenting, sharing, you encourage me to do more such tutorials, and I appreciate that.
A few minutes later,
I have like baked my brows for like 3 minutes. So you take your fluffy brush and just, you know, brush it off using the fluffy brush. See, it doesn't even just mess anything. And you're doing this, don't worry, you know, when it has left behind some white particles. So take the spoolie you're using to do the brow gel. Not your normal spoolie, but the spoolie you're using to do the brow gel, just to comb it and remove all the white particles left behind. I feel like my spool is already dried. Let's take some product. I add more gel on it. And I just finished everything with my spoolie. Okay, Fifi, there we are with our tutorial for oily brows. And with this, you'll have this brows like the entire day, you know. Even if it's so hot, you'll have it will still remain intact. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, turn the notifications on so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. And also don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, I'll always interact with you. Bye bye, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.